Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, I post some hands-on activities for you to do with your little ones at home. I try to use resources that children like playing with. Children can learn a lot of concepts while they play. So, to be notified every week, subscribe to my channel. Let's make learning fun together. Well, simple and fun games are a great way to help kids learn important concepts. As adults, sometimes we overthink about teaching math to our early learners. Today, I am sharing with you some math skills that we can teach to our little ones. And my resource today is dice. So without taking much of your time, I am going to show you 3 math skills that you can do with your little ones. Let's have a look. The first activity is roll and cover. Let's have a look at the supplies. We need an A4 sheet, dice, some chickpeas and kidney beans. On an A4 sheet, print a grid of numbers, or you can draw the grid. Use numbers from 1 to 6 in random order. For older kids, we can use 2 dice and we can write numbers from 2 to 12. Place the 2 bowls of beans for each player. Roll the dice in turns. Identify the number and cover it on the grid. This is a fun activity where children learn about numbers and they develop their fine motor skills. While picking up the beans, they develop their pencil grip that can help them with writing. For older kids, we can use 2 dice and we can play as an addition activity. The next activity is Candy Deli. Start with 1 dice, roll it, identify the number and place that many ice cream sticks. Preschool children are taught number sense, including using tally marks. Using tally marks is a super simple way to count objects. You can work on teaching tally marks to kindergarten by just telling them, which is great, but they can really solidify how they work with hands-on tally marks activity. And to represent the tally marks, we have popsicle sticks. For older kids, teach them with 2 dice. Roll the 2 dice, identify the numbers, add them, and place that many sticks. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. The next activity is apple seeds. For this, take an A4 sheet and draw apples on it. For this activity, you need a dice, a earbud, and black paint. Ask your child to roll the dice. Just like the earlier activities, we can take 1 dice. For younger kids, they need to identify and place that many dots on the apple. For older kids, we took 2 dice, we added the numbers and made that many seeds on the apple. Like 5 and 1 gives us 6, so we made 6 seeds on this apple. Let's make learning fun together.